I highly recommend doing the practice work before you do your actual project, and I also recommend using some filler material. Gas tank leaking. We jacked the front up, let the air out of the back tires so that the gas would go to the back of the tank and not where the gash is. Yeah, she's not getting hot. Well, we tried with the Harbor Freight soldering iron, but it didn't last long. We did some practice work, and when we started on the tank, it burned up. So we've got this little wood burning tool. We'll see how long it lasts. The wood burning tool was the way to go. It's much easier to handle and control and manipulate the plastic than the Harbor Freight soldering iron was. It gets much hotter as well.